Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this headphone adapter for the iPhone Lightning to 3.5mm adapter for all microphones. Alright, so today we did get our adapter for the Lightning to 3.5mm. This one works on all iPhones, including the iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, 14 Plus, 13 Pro Max, SE, 11 Pro Max, XS, and the X. So right here is the user guide. This basically shows you how to use it. They offer it in two different colors. It's offered in gray as well as black. So this one, if you need to connect your microphone to your phone, this one right here you would definitely need. I purchased the Lark M1 microphone set for my phone, so I had to purchase this on the side. So this is my Type-C port, and then this little wire here, the 3.5, goes into the microphone set. So this one here is set for an Android that uses Type-C. So what I'm going to do is connect this into my Lightning cable. That way I can use this with my iPhones as well as my iPads. So here's a Lightning port. You would just put the Lightning port to the bottom of your phone and the other part to your camera. So now you need to open up the camera app, click on video, and then you'll start recording. So right now I'm just going to put this 3.5mm jack inside the receiver, and this other port I'm going to put into my iPhone. This is an MFI certified, 100% compatible with all iOS 13.3.1 or later. So now I'm going to get the microphone and I'm going to go ahead and start recording, and then I'll be back as soon as I finish recording the audio.
And watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next video.
As you can see, it works with my Lark M1. It also works with any other microphones that you want to use with your iDevice, whether it's your iPhone, iPad, iPod. So this is the adapter that is needed for this. I would highly recommend checking this one out, especially if you want to use your iPhone or iPad. This is a really nice adapter, and I highly recommend this brand.